What's up, Curlies? Welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. I'm Talise. First off, I want to say happy Curlsmas and thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. As you guys can tell from the title, today I'm trying a SOULTANICALS deep conditioner, and the one I'm trying is the Fro Despair Vitamin Hair Repair, a Plant Foods Mega Deep Conditioner. It says it's made with biotin, folic acid, and mega greens. I actually got this product for free because I did a SOULTANICALS video in October. I don't know what the price is, but I'll put it somewhere on the screen. My hair is freshly shampooed, and I shampooed with the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. And this shampoo also has biotin in it, so this is a biotin wash day. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. So this product says it's loaded with hair loss preventing organic super green ingredients: spirulina, wheatgrass, barley grass, oatgrass, chlorella, and alfalfa. This mega deep conditioner is formulated to keep hair follicles healthy by rejuvenating and repairing on a cellular level. It says horsetail, rosemary, and sage will improve scalp circulation and protect hair follicles from damage. And biotin is also added to aid in healthy hair growth and strength. Directions: smooth this vitamin mega DC onto strands from root to tip. Cover hair with the plastic cap and place a warm cotton towel over the plastic cap for best results. The natural heat will penetrate the hair shaft, allowing the superfood ingredients to deeply condition, repair, and strengthen the hair. Leave on for 30 minutes or overnight. Rinse and style as usual. Okay, this is what the deep conditioner looks like. It's got a pretty gross color and look, but that might mean it's going to be amazing.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's got a light, kind of healthy smelling scent. I wouldn't say it's bad, but it's not great. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is section my hair into 4 sections, and then I'm going to spray my first section with some warm water. Okay, this is how it looks in my hand. And it feels more lightweight than I was expecting. I thought it was going to be more thick and creamy. It does feel creamy, but I thought it was going to be a lot thicker. So I'm going to start with about this much. So as I'm applying it to my hair, it's already starting to smell more and more healthy, and I'm not really liking it at this point. But it does feel really good on my strands. Okay, this is how my hair is looking after I've applied the deep conditioner to this whole section. And it really does feel really good, and it has my curls popping and shiny. I'm getting used to the smell as I keep applying. Okay, now I'm going to detangle my hair with my wet brush. I'm thinking of doing a video on my favorite albums of 2019. Let me know down below in the comments if you'd like to see something like that. I thought I'd do something different for Curlsmas, so let me know what you guys think. So now I'm just going to move on to my next section. I'm going to keep on applying the deep conditioner and detangling with my wet brush. This is only the second deep conditioner that I've ever tried from SOULTANICALS. The only other one that I've tried is the Afrotastic Curl Elastics. I love that deep conditioner, so I will definitely be comparing the experience of using the Fro Despair with the experience of using Afrotastic. Has a very nice amount of slip. It is really melting my tangles. I don't have that many tangles right now because I detangled when I was pre-pooing, but any tangles that I do have are being melted away.
And
So based on application, I have to say I like the way this deep conditioner feels more than I like Afrotastic. And based on smell, I'm going to say that Afrotastic wins by a long shot. This one stinks.
Sorry to this man.
It smells like wheatgrass smoothies. I tried one of those once. It was one of the worst experiences of my life.
oh hell no!
So it's definitely better putting it in my hair than drinking it. I can at least say that. So I'm going to be leaving this deep conditioner in my hair for a few hours. I was happy that it said it can be left in overnight because I don't really feel like rinsing it out right now. This is how much I used. So I say I used probably about a third. I'll probably get about 2 more uses out of this. I really like how it feels on my hair. It feels like butter. Okay, now I'm just gonna put a plastic cap on my head and I'm gonna let this sit for a few hours and I'll be back after I'm done rinsing it out. Hey Curlies, I'm back and I just rinsed out the deep conditioner. I actually left it in for about 12 hours. I was just feeling really lazy. I did not feel like rinsing it out, but I finally did, and this is what my hair is looking like. It feels super soft. And it definitely feels moisturized. It does stink. That deep conditioner does not smell good, but even though it doesn't smell good, it works amazing.
That's that on that.
I have some good definition and it just feels super good. So as of right now, all I can say is that it felt better on my hair when I was applying it than Afrotastic does, but I'm not sure if it feels better now than Afrotastic does after I rinse it out. So I'm gonna have to do an actual battle to be able to really tell you guys which one I like more. But as of right now, I love both of them, and I'm gonna rate this deep conditioner a 10 out of 10 for sure. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this deep conditioner or any other deep conditioners from SOULTANICALS, and let me know which one is your favorite. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching.